set, parati tayo mag-uusap at sabi mo nga sa akin, the team has really struggled, no? Especially in the start of the first round, kung saan mabibigat din yung mga nakakalaban nyo dito. But so far, in the last 2 games nyo, natapos nyo yan in 3 straight sets. So far, what has been the improvement para sa kupunan ng AFP Lady Gunners in the first round?
Yung improvement namin is about sa receive and service. Kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung receive. Saka na lang yung mga palo eh. Saka of course, makinig kami lahat sa coaches.
And then your last game for this first round will be up against the PNP Lady Patrollers next week yan. Ano yung plano niyong paghandaan against the PNP team? Of course, hindi rin biro na makalaban ang PNP dahil sila yung nakalaban nyo in the final series last year.
Hindi lang naman PNP yung dapat pagandahan, lahat ng team of course. Ang para sa akin ng PNP is lahat magagaling din yan sila eh, player din sila. Kaya kami continuous lang yung training at yung improvement namin lalo sa receive and sa service.